Where are you exactly? First. You've written the first one, right? Huh? Okay, finish up. Where is the pen falling? Okay, what do you need? Let's read what's on the board. Anu Bino here, repeat after me. Anu Bino here. Meaning what? Wild animals. Agu Beke, tiger. Agu Beke, tiger. Odom lion. Odom lion. Agwo snake. Agwo snake. Agwo snake. Agwo snake. Agu cheetah. Agu cheetah. Agu uru, leopard. Agu uru. Inyonya zebra. Inyonya zebra. Ozodimba gorilla. Ozodimba gorilla. Ogumagala chameleon. Ogumagala chameleon. Enwe monkey. Enwe monkey. Mbada antelope. Mbada antelope. Adaka chimpanzee. Adaka chimpanzee. Ene deer. Inyinya ologologo giraffe. Ediabali, civet cats. Are we good? Are we good? 3, 2, 1, go.
Agu Beke, tiger.
2.
Odum lion.
Okay.
Agwo snake. Agu cheetah. Agu Beke.
Yes.
I've already done that with leopard. Agu leopard. India here.
Jide.
You're
not ready with them. Ogumagala.
Ogumagala chameleon. Ewe monkey.
Where are we?
Ewe leopard.
Mbada.
Antelope. Adaka. Chimpanzee. Ele. Deer. Something over.
Yes, are we good? And didn't you Alright. That's good. 3, Otu, Abo, Ato, Bido.
Agu Beke, tiger. Odum, lion. Agwo, snake. Agu cheetah, Agu leopard, Igbo zebra,
Ozodimba
gorilla, Ogumagala chameleon, Ewe monkey, Mbada antelope, Adaka chimpanzee, Ele deer, Igbo giraffe. Thank you.
And Mary, look at the spelling of. Let's take it like this. Let's take it from here. So and Mary. Oporo, have you? Oporo. Huh? Mbala, frog. Mbala, frog. Itechala, that's good. Itechala, see? You've done with the first three up. Let's take the next three. Miri, turtle, just like Mbe and tortoise. But this one is Miri. Agui, crocodile. Any Miri, just like any elephant. But here we have any Miri, hippopotamus. So person is still writing. You should write fast. Are you good? Idechala?
I'm Idechala.
You're right. Oh, big boy. See?
Idechala.
Miri. Turtle. Did it? That thing you're writing, Miri is turtle, not crocodile. Did you get? Good. So turtle. Somebody's still writing. So, Agu E, crocodile. Good. All right, this. Miri. Miri. Hippopotamus. The next one. Azu.
Just go with the sense of allowance. Can you go down for tinier than this pen? Toad.
Akon, shark, azupapani, starfish, owl, toad. Ọ bụrụ na ị dechala isi edechala ngwa ugbu a anyị ga-agụ ife ndị a anyị dị njikere anyị dị njikere Owl, toad. Look at the spelling of that toad. Okay. What kind of video? I'm going to see what's going on. Otu, abụọ, chọpụzie, mechie akwụkwọ a iri n'anya. Otu, abụọ, atọ, wabido. Anụ bi na mmiri, aquatic animal. Let's start from the topic. 3, 2, 1, go. Anụ bi na mmiri, aquatic animals.
Ogogoro, prawn, isha, crayfish.
Isha, not Isha.
Isha, crayfish. Mbala, frog. Mbe, mmiri. Agụ, crocodile.
Mbe mmiri bụ gịnị?
Turtle. Agụ, crocodile. Enyi mmiri. Hippopotamus. Azụ, fish.
Azụ.
Azụ.
Why do you keep mentioning it as Azụ?
Ịnyịnya mmiri. Seahorse. Ishiko.
Nshiko.
Crab. Akum. Shark. Azụ. Starfish. Owl. Toad.
Okay, the girls, take it from owl. Let's take it from there. Let's go up. 3, 2, 1, go.
Owl. Toad. Azụ.
Azụ papando.
Azụ. Starfish. Akum. Crab. Azụ. Fish. Ịnyịnya.
Is she the only one in this class?
Ishiko. Crab. Mbe, turtle.
Crocodile.
Any Mary, hippopotamus, Mala, frog, Isha, crayfish, Oporo, prawn.
Alright. The boys, let's take it from Oporo. Isha,
Crayfish,
Mala, Mary. Iye, crocodile. Any Mary. Azo.
Fish, Mary, seahorse, Ishiko, crowd,
Azu Bakmando.
starfish,
Alright, so that brings us to the end of this topic. No, why am I telling this one now? So I am amazing at that. Okay. Come on. Quem quis você aí, né? A preposition. Okay. So, I want to look at okay. I want to say preposition. Preposition. You know what preposition means?
Positions.
Okay, what's a preposition? Preposition is a part of speech. In English language, we have what we call what? Part of speech. You get it? Eh?
Yes.
How many parts of speech do we have in English language? How many parts of speech do we have in English language? You don't know? Can't remember? Children,
I used to tell a lot of you. I think 22.
This was what?
I think it's
22.
what?
How many parts of speech do we have in English language?
Like how much letters?
Don't know how much letters. How many parts of speech do we have in English language? What about you? How many parts of speech? What about you? Eight. 8 parts of speech. Have you heard that before? What is that? Okay, your comments. We have 8 parts of speech in English language. How many parts of speech do I say we have in English language?
8.
So for you that your teachers have not taught before, or peradventure you've not heard before, now you're hearing it for the first time. How many parts of speech do we have in English?
8.
EIGHT bracket. 8 parts of speech in English. The first part of speech we have is what? Noun. Have you heard of noun? Or have you been taught now? You don't know now is part of speech. You don't know. We have what? Pronoun. We have what? Verb. Are we good? Good. We have adverb. We have adjective. Keep quiet. We're not talking about proper noun here. Talking about adjective. We're talking about what? Preposition. How many? One placed. Now listen up. Placed. Look at this particular object. Look at this particular object. Listen up. You know there's a clear difference when we have this object here. True or false?
True.
True or false?
True.
And there's another difference that we have this object here. True or false?
True.
And there's another difference that we have this object under this table. True or false?
True.
That is preposition. Okay? So that's what we'll be looking at now. Prepositions in Igbo language. Sometimes your mom will ask you, maybe you live in an apartment like this. Your mom is seated here. Chigozie. You say, Ma, Kedebino. Where are you? I know you're in the class, but then I said in your apartment. Maybe you are upstairs. I don't know where. So what will you answer your mom? Chigozie Kedebino. It means you are upstairs, okay? Good. And maybe you are playing ball downstairs in your compound, and mommy calls you, Chigozie. Answer now.
Chiagozie.
Chiagozie. You are playing ball downstairs. Good. Kedebino. Okay, beautiful. That's the essence of the class. So you know what we mean by up, down, under, inside, outside. So that is preposition. Are we good? Let's look at the script. You are going to say it. I said this is the topic. You aren't listening or you aren't saying it.
That's why Chiagozie will say they've not taught him pass of speech. Somebody that's going to be for. I disagree with that.
Don't mind him. Good. Look at this now. See this fine girl. So what do you say is AI now? Is this AI too?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Is this AI?
Yeah.
Whether AI or IA, all I know is that the girl is fine. With her head tie, that rhymes with her wrapper. Good. And with the ornaments, the beads and the earrings. Oh Marama, she looks beautiful and good. Now the first preposition we are learning this morning is what? Chiagozie Kedebino. That is Nenu now. So if I paint another scenario and I ask you where are you, you should be able to make a simple sentence by saying Anonelu. It could be in your school. Your onye nkuzi. What's onye nkuzi? I'm not talking to you. What's onye nkuzi? Copy. Don't hear on. It's no problem. Maybe you traveled home during Christmas and your day comes around. What is day? That is auntie. Day is uncle. So you got it right. Good. On top of the table. Can we make or can we construct a simple sentence using Nelu? Can we make a simple sentence with Nelu? Who can help us out with that? Nelu. Everybody's going to make a sentence with that. Nelu. Okay, let me say number one. Akwụkwọ dị n'elu oche. Akwụkwọ dị n'elu oche. What does it mean? What's akwụkwọ? Chiagozie? Akwụkwọ. You know what's akwụkwọ? Jide?
I am.
No. Abum. I am. Akwụkwọ means what? Nah. This is akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ means book. Akwụkwọ nọ n'elu oche. My book is on top of the chair. We are trying to construct a simple sentence with what? N'elu. Okay? What is egwuregwu? Hey. Play egwuregwu. Okay. Ana m egwuregwu n'elu. I am playing upstairs. Ana m egwuregwu n'elu. I am playing upstairs. Okay. Okay. Edinam ana n'elu akwa. I'm sleeping on top of my bed. So make your own sentence. If you need an assistant with name. Think of something. Make your own sentence. I will assist you. Auntie will assist you. Sit up. Okay. Say it in English. Let me. Okay. Ụgbọelu na-aga n'elu. Ụgbọ. Let's come and start spelling for them. Ụgbọelu. Let me get cardboard. Ụgbọelu na-aga elu.
Who taught you what is Igbo? That's a very strong one.
Start thinking of your own sentence. Our duty is to help you spell it. Then you write it. So when we are looking at elu, when you write elu, the next line you construct a sentence, and it must not be the same person's sentence. So you construct your own. My duty and Auntie's duty is to teach you how to spell it. So now we are going to teach Shekina how to spell Ụgbọelu na-aga n'elu. So get ready. Start thinking. Instead of Nagabi. Okay. N'efe. N'elu. Who is ready again? Who is ready? Should I give you a clue? Should I give you a clue? Should I give you a clue again? Who should I give you a clue now? Okay. Nnem nọ n'elu. What's the meaning? My mother is upstairs. Nnam nọ n'elu. Just simple sentence. I'm not asking you to start into. Like what Shekina gave to us is an advanced sentence. Very, very advanced. Just the basic one. Enyim nọ n'elu. Which one do you want to say? That's copy. Who wants to say what else? Jenny cannot feel the bed. I wanted.
How do you want?
I wanted.
She was ready ahead.
How do you spell no?
No, n'elu.
Le. What is le? Writing from Shekina's own. This is Shekina's.
I forgot to spell name.
See them.
N'elu.
No, name.
This is n'elu. Jide, what's your own sentence with n'elu? Yes? Okay. Let's help you make one up.
Zitara.
You know what n'elu means? Something that is on top of something. Beautiful. So, what can we think of that's on top of something?
You can even use the Igbo system that we taught you earlier. Fruits.
Yes, that's what it is.
Okay, okay. Say it.
Yes.
I don't think I would make it.
Using
Okay. You have a sentence? Okay, say that in English. I'll translate it for you in Igbo.
Okay. That's it.
The cake is on the table. Cake is achicha bekee, right? Good. Achicha bekee no n'elu. What's table? Table. Okay. The cake is on the table. You got it on there, good. Don't write it in English. I will write it for you.
What do you want to write?
Cake. Table. Achicha. Achicha the cake. Achicha kaya. Okay, achicha. Okay, good. Achicha. Achicha. This thing you are writing accounts. What do you want to write? Let's help you out. That's why we are here for you. Okay? Talk to me. Say it in English. We'll translate it for you. Just let's continue. Just for this one, just one.
Say something.
Yes, I have. You understand what I mean by nail? Something that is on top of something. Okay? So think about any objects, anything. It could be fruit, it could be food, it could be your school bag, it could be your lunch box, as on top of something. Say it in English, we'll convert it for you in Igbo.
This one is called under.
No, we will not come to under. Okay, let me hear your sentence for Okay,
shade.
Yeah, the shade, yes. Say it again. Mwe. Okay, can we help you out with this? Anom n'okpuru osisi, I'm under the tree. Or you can say mbe. Good. Mbe. No, na okpuru osisi. That's good.
Let me write it down for you. Yeah?
Let's start with that. Achicha
So I have
you can say okpuru. Let everyone know start using table. She has just made it very clear. Mbe no n'okpuru osisi. The tortoise is under the table. Mbe no n'okpuru osisi. Are we good? She just made a sentence. Yes. Ekwenti.
Is that what you said?
Yes. Ekwenti no n'okpuru oche. My phone is under the chair. The next person. So now we've come to n'okpuru. That's under. Good. Let's concentrate. Banana. Unele. Unele. Good. All right, from you, Eunice. Okay, read the sentence. Let me hear it. Unele no n'okpuru table.
D. No, cannot.
Unele no n'okpuru table. Eunice, go on with it.
He said, no, which I said, but I didn't think.
Hey, you know the meaning. I just want to write it. How can you put the word under the chair?
Apam. You know what is apam?
Eferem.
D.
Okay, read what you have there.
All right.
What's this? Somebody has made a very good sentence here, even without being assisted.
Ooh.
That's Jide, my boy.
Wow.
What's this?
Wait, in English or in like?
In English.
It's a cat.
The cat, okay? Well, read it out. Let's mommy here. Let's auntie here.
Wait, in English?
No, you have to read it in Igbo, then translate it in English.
Wait. Mwamba di onoko osisi. The cat is under the tree.
Wamba de Nokuru Osisi. The cat is under the tree. Excellent. I love this so much. Good. Who else again? Okay, we'll listen to everyone. Okay, let's take the next one now. Nala.
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 Nala. Okay? Like somebody who is seated on the floor. Nala. Look at this fine man. See this fine man.
AI.
I
Mister, what is the good?
and it means like on the floor.
On the floor.
On the floor, yes. On the floor.
Ewu no nala.
Ewu no n'ala. That's good. The goats. Akwụkwọ m nọ n'ala. My book is on the floor. Ewu nọ n'ala. The goat is on the floor. Akwụkwọ m nọ n'ala. Good. You know my happiness. My joy this morning is that you can flip through our previous classes. You're not extracting either names of animals, names of fruits, and you are using it to construct a sentence. I get a mistake. I get a mistake. Else I made 2 hours class. So that's my happiness today. I'm coming, baby girl. That's my happiness that you can flip through now, picking up different words, maybe the numbered fruits, annual or anubino here, and you can now use them to construct simple sentences. So I like, you can even extract colors too. Good. Agwam. No, nala. Good. So we have akwụkwọ m nala. Ewu nala. The goat is on the floor. My book is on the floor. Baby boy, let me hear you. What do you have? Have you made sentence with nala? What are you still waiting for? Write nala, then you tell me your sentence. Baby girl, let me hear you.
How do you feed
Lion. Lion. Odum. You need to write it. I'm just commending you that you can now flip through to see. Where is it? What we opened this morning?
It's 11:40. That's 8 minutes more.
What did we do this morning? What are the animals we did this morning? You didn't write it. You didn't read? So where is it now?
I lost my pen.
Where is it now? The right time it says, Odum means what? Lion. I don't know how you be writing, you need one page. You come back again, write another thing somewhere. Now you are looking for it, you can't find it, and it's inside of this book. Look at Odum. Odum means lion. Okay? So when you have to construct sentence, you can flip through. Either you are talking about the animal, you go back, you can talk about, what do we call it? You know, name, one name, any, name. You can pick up anything there You can come here and say, okay, if it's on or Google, okay. You know, things like that. Okay, good. So, you are waiting for a sentence on Nala. People, have you done your own? What did you think of? Okay, girl, let me hear you. No, Nala. That's the there. It's on the floor. Let's talk about your own ears. Good. Odum, Nala. No, Nala. Ele, no, Nala. So they're supposed to be N-O. No, Nala.
Right again.
Odum,
Have you written it?
the lions and the flock. Are you good? Ele, no, Nala. Okay, let me hear your idea. Say it again. Nim dinara. Meaning what? My mom? Okay, my mom is sitting. Okay. Nim no Donna Anna. Okay, good. So Auntie writes on the box for the correct spelling. Okay. So I here continue, is it? Let me see if we can do one more. Nala. Okay, look at this.
Yes, yes. Less than 4 minutes.
Beside. Okay, yeah, beside. Don't forget we're talking about preposition. So we're looking at beside now. Which one? The second one. Name, don't know, Allah. Suppose underline Jude's own so that he knows. He's asking if it's the first or second.
I see it now. I see it.
Okay, beautiful. You
So I
see
have a sentence.
4. You have what? What do you say you have, Shakina?
Oh,
Okay, somebody just said something beautiful now. Nnem no n'akụkụ osisi. Nnem no n'akụkụ ukwu osisi. Just like this man standing beside the tree. This is a very sharp guess. Just blah blah. N'akụkụ. That's beside. And she quickly said, Nnem no n'akụkụ osisi. You can always help you out with the spellings. Okay? You just formulate a sentence for us. Nnem no n'akụkụ osisi. My mom is standing behind the tree. Good. So, the next one is n'akụkụ. And that will be the last one. The next one is n'akụkụ. It means what? What does it mean? Beside. No, beside. Exactly. So you write it. N'akụkụ. Each other. Each other. Auntie. Each other. He said, what's each other? Onwe anyị. Onwe anyị. You need a spelling, tell us to spell it. Okay, make a sentence, let's hear you. Make a sentence, let's hear you. I know, just say it. Say it, Baba, let me hear. No, la. Okay, this is okay. Auntie, come and hear this beautiful one from my boy here. Because they are no longer.
This is for what? Okay.
He said, Agụ bekee na ele nọ n'akụkụ. He said like each other, n'akụkụ onwe kwa. Each other one. That's good. Hi. Okay, yes, you can make your sentence now with n'akụkụ.
That is each other.
Onwe ha. Nri dị n'akụkụ osisi. Oh, that one. N'akụkụ osisi. If I write n'akụkụ, then you can write it up for him. Another just put a bracket. Nri. Write n'akụkụ first. By tomorrow we're going to make a whole lot of sentences with all these.
Wait, do you mean like tomorrow or next class?
Next tomorrow. So this preposition, verb, whatever, will continue again tomorrow. Is the class not interesting when you're formulating the sentence yourself? Good.
Okay, so I do this one. So this one first.
Yes, you write n'akụkụ first, and you now come and write nri dị n'akụkụ.
Why am I writing this first then?
Which one? Yes, because that is the preposition. Then below it is the sentence. You get it?
Yeah.
Your man. I don't know if I in charge of this school. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
You done? Okay. Now let us have you make the sentence up. That's the sentence. You know that was what we said?
I see.
You see it? Okay. Alright. Okay. Finally, we've come to the end of today's class. Can you please give yourselves a round of applause? You've done excellently, very well. Your teachers are super impressed of the performance today, and I say keep it up. Onye nwanyị anyị ekele gị maka ihe ọmụmụ nke anyị n'ụbọchị nke taa. Nara ekele. Gọzie ndị nkụzi anyị. Gọzie Maazị Okezie. Gọzie Oriakụ Oge. Gọzie anyị bụ ụmụ akwụkwọ. Ma gọzikwa nwunye Maazị. N'aha Jesus. Amma. That's the Igbo version of Amma. Wow.
So we're going to say direct.
Okay, so the next class is Useku in the next 2 minutes. So just go up. Yes. In the next 2 minutes, this class will change. Nah, CK. You don't want to CK? Yeah. Job well done. You did a very good job today.